Hey, what's up guys? I'm from BSC Tech. Today we have an iPad Air and we will bypass the hello screen on this device. So first thing we need to do is we need to jailbreak this device using checkrain, which is going to jailbreak 12.5.1, which is on this iPad. So let's do that and then we'll follow the next step. So now going to put the iPad in DFU mode, as you can see on screen. Very straightforward and simple process. And now it's going through the jailbreak process. Once that is done, it will appear on this screen. Standard process, you're well aware of that. Reboot, boot animation, jailbreak happening. Straightforward and simple. Very easy process. I'm doing it on a Mac and then I will use all-in-one FRP to bypass this for absolutely free. You don't have to pay anything. Just keep watching and see how this is being done. And there you go. This is done now. So we will make sure that the jailbreak is done. For that, we will connect the iPad with the Windows machine. So let's put the Mac on the side and the second machine comes on. So first thing we need to check is open 3U tools just to make sure that we verify that the jailbreak is done. Okay, yes, jailbreak is installed as you can see on screen. Okay, next part is to run IFRP as administrator. Let's put this on side and let's run this as administrator. You will see this screen coming up on your, so let me just move a little bit so we can see what is going on screen. So this is where we are now. So okay, so you have to select hello bypass. So registration is required. You come back on this page, select serial number and then go back here, click OK. You can see this is unregistered. You can copy serial number from here or from 3 tools, that's absolutely fine. Then you have to select this section, click here to register and it will open this page. Let's try this again. Now select register serial number for free. Here you need to paste the serial number, click OK. Congratulations, registration number is added. And now we need to close this IFRP file and run it again. Running it again should show that the device is registered with this IME number. Let's keep it straightforward, and as you can see that we have registered here. Now let's select the bypass and let it do the whole job. So let's zoom out and just keep it here. As you can see that the file is in progress. We'll leave it here. As you can see that it's 15%. It will boot couple of times, and once the process is complete, we'll have a working iPad without the bypass on screen. So once that is sorted, you can simply go ahead and add your iCloud account and start downloading apps and games. As you can see that the hello screen appears up on here. So let's zoom this out a little bit so you can see what is happening here. It will restart a couple of times during this process. As you can see, it's going to spring again, and on this page you can see that, see, it's all done. There's no issue with the activation and all that stuff. So it's processing. Don't disconnect your iPad at this stage because this is very crucial. If you disconnect this at this stage, it will not be able to block the OTA updates, which means whatever operating system it will have, it will just fix those and it will not be able to update, which means you will not have problems by accident or by error in future if you decided to update when your device is connected with the Wi-Fi. You will have to repeat the whole process. Remember guys, this is absolutely free. There's no charge or anything on that. And as you can see that we have iOS 12.5 on screen, and let me take it out and show you. So you can see that we have iOS 12.5. These are the files, and that's an iPad here. It's almost done, so it shouldn't take more than 2 or 3 minutes in order to bring it back to life. So guys, this was a fix. Yes, there is a catch. What is the catch? The catch is you cannot use cellular data. You can only use Wi-Fi services even if you have iPhone or iPads. The bad news is if you want to use SIM services, you have to pay a little bit of surcharge to this their server. There's a fee. See, I'll show you what I'm saying. So this is the thing. Bypass until successful. You want bypass work all function, SIM network working fine. We don't need that. If we have to pay them. So we'll keep it to no. That's 100% success. So let's check if the iPad is gone past hello screen, and let's try this. There you go guys. The second iPad I have is having issues with activation. So it's the same iPad Air, same as this one, and on this one you can see we have Checkrain installed already. So let's install Cydia from here. Install Cydia, and then I'll do a quick reboot just to make sure that we are 100% sure on what we have done. Let's update Cydia first. Once Cydia is installed, then we'll move on to the next step, which is to upgrade Cydia, and then we will restart just to make sure that everything is in order. So remember guys, this is an untethered jailbreak and bypass, absolutely free. You don't have to pay anything. You don't have to spend a penny or a dime. It works absolutely fine. Yes, and it will only go when you reset your iPad. And let's do a complete upgrade. Confirm. If you restart, if your battery died at some point, if you switch off your iPad, you can always turn on as long as you have your iCloud, which is working with that. I strongly suggest you don't use any account which is associated with your cards or payment methods. No, create a separate account, separate iCloud account, and use this on with this iPad, so you should have no problem whatsoever. So last thing before we move on, we have the files as well installed, so you can do tweaks and all that stuff. Let's check what operating system we have here. So you can see that we have 12.5.7 and it's a 32 gig iPad Air 1 which is on Wi-Fi. So if you miss any part, if you don't understand anything, just ask me in the comment section and I'll try to answer. Last bit before we say bye-bye to you, let's restart the iPad just to show you that it's working fine without any problem. So let's restart again. And once that is completely restarted, back to the home screen. Remember, this method works with most of the operating systems starting from iOS 9.3.5 up to iOS 12, 13 and 14 as well. There's another software called iKeychain. I will make a video on that later on. So we can see that we have done a restart and checkra1n, Cydia and Filesa is all there. There's no problem. If you like this video, guys, do let me know in the comment section below. And I'll see you soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.